Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add external link to Instagram story. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin with our tutorial. First, we will be needing to access to our Instagram app. After that, we will want to create a story. So either you can do it from uh, go into this plus icon, or you can simply go to your story and click here on the plus. So from here, we will be able to start creating whatever we'd like on our story. Either you can take a camera from your camera roll, or you can go to your gallery and stuff. So here I'm just going to choose this video as an example, and now we will be needing to start editing on our story. So here we will want to go to stickers. So stickers would allow us to add many stuff or many features to our story. And one of these you will find location, you can mention other people, you can add music, another photo, a WhatsApp contact or whatever, and you will have many other things. So from here we will want to add a link. You add the link. So here I'm just going to add a google.com, and from here I'm just going to click on done, and here it will be added. So whenever someone click on it, you will be they will be able to just click and they will just go to this link, and by that they will be able to access this link. And now you have successfully created or added an external link to your Instagram story, and it won't necessarily be a swipe up. You will need just to click on it, and then you will be able to access to this link. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.